Hello everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and today I have a nice tool hack for you. But before we do that, I want to thank House of Tools for being the sponsor of this video. They also supply me with most of the tools on my video, so thanks to House of Tools there. Also, if you could subscribe and like this video, I'd appreciate it. Helps me grow the channel and I can keep doing this. But what is today's tool hack? Well, check it out. It's a Klein screwdriver. And if you've never seen this before, it's kind of an offset here. This is number 670-6. It's got a 6-inch blade here. And what it is it's a speed screwdriver. So when you put the screwdriver on the screw, you hold this here and you go like that, and it puts a screw in or out very quickly. But I don't really like it for that. Here's my hack. Check this out. I need to put an outlet here in the middle of this wall, but I don't know where the studs are. Now, maybe I can use a stud finder, that would be fine, but it's not always accurate. The other thing I might be doing is putting can lights in a ceiling, and sometimes the can could be about this big, but you don't have enough ceiling depth, and you don't know that with a stud finder. That's where this little hack comes in play. Check it out. We're going to take the screwdriver, we're going to poke it in the wall. With a couple of hits, there, we're in the bay. So what do? We go all the way back. That's where I'm hitting. So I pull that out, and now I know I have that much bay, which is typical for a wall. But if this was a ceiling, I would try to keep going to make sure I have enough depth for my can light. And if this screwdriver doesn't help, once I've already made my hole, I can get a longer screwdriver to see the depth. But the other thing this does is when you stick this in the hole, and you do that and get it all the way in, now my screwdriver is vertical. I twist. And look at that, I can go all that way. So what does that tell me? That there is not a stud within that amount of time, or space. I go this way, look at this, I am spinning freely. That tells me there is no stud, no pipes, no wires to catch. So this would be a perfect place to put an outlet, anywhere in here, because I'm in the bay. But if I wanted to be near a stud, maybe I'd move over a little bit further to try to find the stud. Then you might say, but now there's a hole in the wall. If I was a homeowner, if I was in the trades and this was a homeowner's house and they had touch-up paint, you know what? A little bit of spackling paste, a little putty knife, and a little bit of paint. That is a really, really easy hole to patch up. Doesn't take much to patch that little hole. If I made a bigger hole to get my hand in there or something more, I'd have to repair a lot more. Here, that's just barely bigger than a screw hole. Simple fix, and this way I can tell inside that bay how much room I have. Again, if I was doing a can light in a ceiling, I really need to know a lot more. Is there room to put that deep can in there? So that's today's tool hack for today. Klein Tools 670-6. See you on the next hack video.